needs to be in Accra too. Maybe in that circle, disorganized circle.
Yeah.
To be something like this. Because it's very, very organized. Everything you can find in this world is here. So kudos, man. Kudos to Ghana. And I just hope we're...
Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome back again to the channel. It's your boy, Sunny Media. So, guys, guess what? I get a visitor. My Niger friend. Not just my Niger friend. My own brother from Nigeria. We are from the same, what would I call it? The same tribe. You know him. He's a traveler. He's also a YouTuber. He has been in Accra for some couple of days now. Now he has decided to come to Kumasi. Guys, welcome our own brother, Awashi.
Guys, how far now?
Awashi, this is Awashi.
No, Wache.
Wache.
Yes.
His name is Kenneth Wache, but Ghanaians are calling him Wache. How are you enjoying Ghana so far?
Well, so far, so good, man. This is my more than fourth time coming to Ghana.
Okay.
I think I'll move back. I'll move to Ghana.
You will move to Ghana, okay. So
I just came to explore the center of the Ashanti Region.
Okay.
Which is the Kumasi.
Okay.
Yes.
You've been in Accra for some couple of
almost a week now.
Almost a week now.
Yes.
So how did you enjoy Accra?
Yeah, Accra is cool. So Accra is one of the best cities to live in West Africa, if not in Africa at large.
Okay.
So you can never get it wrong in Accra, man.
Yes. So guys, now he has come to Kumasi. Do you know where the first place we are going to? I'm going to take him now. Is Kejetia market, the biggest and the only biggest and most beautiful indoor open air market.
Yes.
In the whole West Africa. So I'm going to show him there, Kejetia market. So let's start from there. After there, we take it from another one, from there to another one. There are a lot of content I have to introduce him in Kumasi.
Yeah, this is what you told me about
the only lake, the only natural lake in Ghana. We are privileged to have it in Kumasi. We are going to see all of them. So hope you will be able to cover all this content in Kumasi.
Yeah, sure. We will try. There's a lot to show. If we do finish it, we'll do it next time.
This one is not next time. We have to finish it.
No wahala, we did.
Okay.
I know.
Okay, I know. Yeah. That means
we did. We go this way, right?
Yeah. No. We have to go this way. We have to enter
that
bus there. Then it's either we'll go this way or anywhere. Okay, let's go like this. Let's enter bus and go like this. Or we can even trek, go to the roadside, and take Trust Road going to town.
Wahala.
Yes.
Actually, guys, if they have any place in Kumasi that you want to see, want us to show you, can you leave a comment?
Yes, leave in the comment any place you want us to go around Kumasi, anywhere you want me to go, take him to. Just leave it in comment section. I know everywhere.
We are both visitors.
No, for me, I'm not a visitor anymore. He said we are both visitors. Me, visitor. Anywhere you mention now in the comment section now in Kumasi, I know that.
Right, there's a place we went to that last time. That under bridge, under pedestrian crossing.
Okay, that tunnel.
Yeah,
that tunnel. You want us to go there?
Well, my pass around there. I want to just let's show people the beauty of Kumasi.
Okay. That is, he was talking about this tunnel that is at this place, Sofo line. Yes,
yeah, Sofo line.
Yes, that is where he is talking about. You know, the time he came here, I asked him, "Where are you?" Just mention the name. He just mentioned the name. I said, "Oh, I know that." I say, "I'm coming there right away." Yeah. So there's no way you mention in Kumasi that I don't know. Anyway, just mention it. Put it in the comment section. I will tell you where that place is. So far as Kumasi is concerned, except it's out of Kumasi. So we have a lot of places to go to visit. Nice terrains, you know.
See, there are so many Nigerians in Kumasi also.
Yeah. We have so many Nigerians in Kumasi here, so many. Even the content I posted last time, where all the Nigerians in Ashanti regions gathered. I don't know whether you have watched the video. If you have not watched the video, guys, I'll put the link on the description box below. Just watch it. You see how many we are as a Nigerian in the Ashanti region. Yes. So right now, guys, we are on the main road. Look at the roadside. Yeah. We want to enter the car now, going to the town, Kejetia market.
It's not town.
Okay, guys, he asked question. So, you know, I said, I want to go and enter car going to the town. Then he asked me, is this not town?
Yeah, I don't know. It's not the same.
No, if you are talking about Kumasi,
Yeah.
the place we know as Kumasi town is at where we are going, Edum. Yes,
Yeah,
that is
the main town.
yes, that is the main town.
Because when I was trying to get my hotel, I was asking you, where is the main center, the center?
Okay.
Because that's the reason I didn't get Airbnb. Normally, if I'm traveling normally, I normally get Airbnb.
Airbnb.
But because I want to stay in the center of Kumasi,
Okay.
I know Airbnb when you book, you don't know the particular location unless you're done booking.
Okay.
So after your book, they'll just send the private the real address.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can get
All this place-
in the center.
All these places are town, no. But the place you know, the place that is the town, the main town, Kumasi town.
Yeah.
Again, you know, if you go to Accra, the place in Accra that you can call is like the main Accra. Some people, some places they used to think is Accra. Other places is Accra, but they have the main Accra town.
Yeah.
Even when you are at Circle in Accra, you hear bus saying Accra, but you are saying Accra, but I'm saying Accra, that's how Kumasi is too. So Kumasi, where the main town in Kumasi is at Edum, yes, that is where we are going. That is where the Kejetia market is. So we are going right there.
No wahala.
Yes, no wahala. Kenneth Nwashe is in Kumasi, guys.
Yes.
Awashe, hope you eat awashe. You will not go without eating your awashe.
As I arrived, I first go eat banku and okra stew.
You have ate banku and okra. Did you make video about that?
Yes, it's my arrival video.
Okay, your arrival video. Wow.
Maybe towards the night, we will come back, we'll look for one share.
Okay.
One share, like eating one share in the morning.
You like eating it in the morning?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's in the morning, so that.
So immediately you enter Kumasi, what was your first impression?
It's not my first time, so.
It's not, but it's been a long time.
Yeah, it's my first time flying into Kumasi. I flew into Kumasi.
Okay.
So even the airport you went to that day, wasn't it? I went to the airport last.
Yeah.
Yeah, as in, everything is now ready, completed.
Yeah.
Looking very beautiful.
Exactly.
Ghana is fast developing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fast developing. Every time you call me. So, there's only one thing that is wrong.
Okay.
I don't know. The real estate investors.
Okay.
I'm not talking about the Ghanaians now. I'm talking about the real estate
The
investors.
real estate investors, okay.
They focus in Accra.
In Accra more.
No, they focus mainly in Accra.
Mainly in Accra, okay.
Like, for example, when I'm trying to book Airbnb in Accra, when you type, you see a lot of good studio apartment, not that, and very nice Airbnb, a nice apartment. Okay. But try booking Airbnb in Kumasi, you will search for hours, you will not see. You will be seeing somebody's father's house. All these normal houses. Yeah. That's what you'll be seeing. Yeah. You can't see a normal studio apartment. Yeah. Those kind of modern apartment, you won't see it in Kumasi. So I search, I don't see. So people kind of, the real estate, Kumasi as in Ghanaians, they are trying, they are building. They are building their region, but the real estate investors, those who come together to invest in they focus mainly in Accra. I think they should try and, because there are more people coming to this area also, to try and come over the other side of Accra, apart from Accra. There are other nice places in Ghana that just that is beyond Accra.
Yeah.
You understand? So that when you're traveling anywhere in Ghana, you can see a very nice place.
Yeah, I think you are right on that. So the real estate developers, if you're watching this video right now, you hail him. So
Well,
you can do some.
Don't blame me 100% because
Okay.
every businessman, they do survey. Maybe after their survey,
Yeah.
Accra will make more money.
Yeah. Okay. They after doing their survey.
Yeah. It's not about the money, but
I see.
if you try and expand it,
I think they will do something about it. They will.
let's have signature studios, signature apartments in Kumasi. No go bad.
Yeah. Sure. Guys, so what do you think? Drop in the comments.
In the comment section.
Yes.
We're going to Kejetia market.
Kejetia market.
Yeah,
Yes.
the biggest.
Yeah. Which the market we also call it here in Kumasi, Dubai.
Dubai? Why Dubai?
Because of how beautiful and how organized the whole market looks. That's why we call it Dubai in Africa.
Is it maintained? That's why I was there. I was looking nice. This is the same thing, you know.
Although some
They maintain it.
part got burnt, but they have repaired it immediately. They have fixed that part that burnt. Some parts burnt. I think last year, but I think they fixed it. Yeah. So Dubai in Ghana or in Africa, something like that. Yeah. We are going to the Dubai. Yes, Dubai market. Kejetia market.
Go collab Kumasi market. Kumasi is Kumasi fine.
Yeah, but it's Dubai because of how organized it is. So we gotta see. We are going to see.
Colonial mentality.
Is it?
It's like colonial mentality.
Okay, Colombia.
Because it's organized, you have to be Dubai.
Yeah, because
It's organized. Ghana because it's organized.
Yeah, because it's well organized like Dubai. No,
Doesn't
Dubai.
mean that Ghana is not organized.
Oh,
Or Africa is not organized.
Africa is organized.
This is not Europe. This is Kumasi.
Yeah, this is not Europe. Yes. Okay.
This is what you see here in Kumasi apartment. Look at it. Show
Which
them.
one?
Show this apartment.
Oh,
The kind of things you see in Airbnb. You know,
okay, Airbnb.
This kind of apartments you see.
Okay.
But in Accra it's different. You will see modern
Modern
design. Well,
Uh-huh.
Kumasi for where?
So the real estate developers, you people should do something.
There's money.
Before we come for there's money here. Yeah. And you know Kumasi has rules and regulations. Maybe because of that, they have rules and things like that. You know.
They can't have more rules than Accra and the capital city.
I mean, the rules in Kumasi have made like I don't know. Let me not just say what I don't know. Yeah.
Actually, it's just more like a market survey. They survey the market, know that Accra may make them more money because the ideology
Yeah.
changed. I'm seeing US
US flag. Okay. No, it's car. The way they're selling cars.
okay.
So guys, catch you up in Kejetia market as I'm taking Awashi man, Nigerian, who be say Kumasi to that place. Let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Told you to walk away. That was my first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face. But what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back.
So guys, we are at Kejetia, but we are not yet the main Kejetia. We are at the Lansa. I mean, Dr. Mensa. Yes. So this one is Pipacha what? Speak it too. So we are heading towards the Kejetia market, but you know they have started building a new one. So we are around the new one they are building now. They have not finished building it yet.
Okay, when it's done, it's called the Central Market.
Yeah, Central Market is it. They've demolished. They have demolished the Central Market. They have started building the new one. Yes. So they want to build it like the Kejetia Market.
Yeah, you can see.
Yeah, where we are going.
You can see the roof is like this.
Yeah, you see it now. I can't see it from here. Well, maybe I'll do a separate video about that.
So this is Sunny Media on YouTube.
Yeah, you can find me on YouTube by Sunny Media.
Yeah, check out some YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah. Let's get into 10K subscribers.
Please, you. So, guys, right now, I've taken my friend who came from Accra to Kumasi here in Kejetia market. So he's enjoying himself, seeing everything happening inside the market. The only indoor market that has everything you could find in the whole world inside one market, inside one indoor, like one market, and everything is inside. So he's loving it, and we are still touring around. Yeah, so I'm happy showing him around. Keep watching, guys. If you want to see more about this market, go to his channel. Just search for him, Kejetia. Go to his channel and watch more about this market. Yeah. So I've done the market before on my channel too. You can equally see it on my channel too, because I've done it before. Yes. So for here is just to take him, show him around. Alright, keep watching. So guys, this is the end of me showing Kejetia around the Kejetia market.
Yeah.
Yes, the biggest indoor market in West Africa, which is in Ghana here, Kumasi. So let me ask Kenneth his impression, like how he sees the whole tour. How did you enjoy the tour, man?
Man, I enjoy myself, man. I'm very, very proud that the place is being maintained, because I was here 2-3 years ago. In this market, and coming back again, I've seen it like this. It's good. I mean, it's been maintained. There's future. So I think this needs to be in Accra too. Maybe in that circle, this organized circle. Yeah. It will be something like this. Because here, it's very, very organized. Everywhere you go to, and the way it's section by section. Section is being fish and beef are being sold here. The other side clothes. The other side, bus station, police station, hospital, pharmacy, everything you can find in this world is here. So kudos, man, kudos to Ghana. And I just hope we explore multiple things, more places here in Kumasi. So if you have any place you want us to visit, just comment below, so we'll find out.
Alright guys, I'm happy that he loved it. I'm also happy that he enjoyed himself. So more video is still coming your way as Kenneth has come to Kumasi. If you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, please hit on the subscribe button down below. Also share the video, comment. See you guys in the next one.
Yes, ciao guys.